Let your spirit soar and let your heart open wide, for the time has come to witness a magical ride.
Join us as we unveil a display of art so true, a celebration of healing in every vibrant hue.
Come one, come all, to the online exhibition of art, a canvas of emotions that will touch your hearts.
Let the colors take you on a journey so divine as we embrace the power of art that heals and shines.
This is an invitation to the artists, students, and all to come and witness the beauty of healing art's call.
So mark your calendars and save the date, for on World Health Day we celebrate.
Good evening and a warm welcome to the launch of Art for Healing online exhibition on this World Health Day. The HealThyRam Nirmay Bharat community understands the importance of art for wellness and hence brought in being a painting workshop and exhibition captioned Healing Expressions. The idea behind this exhibition came to life as we realized that art has the power to heal and transform lives. It allows us to express ourselves, connect with our emotions, and explore our creativity. That art has the potential to make a positive impact on our mental and physical health.
As you can see on our Facebook account or HealThyRam.com, the launch of Art for Healing painting workshop was a huge success, and we received some fantastic entries from artists and students online as well as from the site workshop. Now, over to Mr. Venkatesh Sharma, co-founder of HealThyRam.com, to introduce the journey.
Good afternoon or good evening, wherever, whichever part of the world you're in once again, and welcome to this launch of the online exhibition for the Art for Healing painting workshop that was conducted, where we have a very eminent jury with us. And first up, I would like to introduce and please help me welcome our guest of honor, Inder Loomba, who is a senior fellow, scholar, and artist with more than 30 years of experience. And I've known her personally for probably short of maybe 25 odd years. And it's been an amazing association. So, welcome to the show, Harsh.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me. And it is an honor to be on this platform, which deals with health and overall wellness of a human being, which is very important in these times for us.
Absolutely, very rightly said. And also, we have with us today Professor Shaz from Indian Institute of Art and Design, who has more than 20 years of experience in the industry and specializes in storytelling, design, animation, and of course, is part of the jury as well.
Thank you so much for this opportunity to be a part of this platform. And I've been sort of closely working with Nikita. So that sort of gives me an insight into the kind of work you guys are doing, and kudos to that and cheers to that. And I am really looking forward to this event and how things unfold.
Well, certainly, we all of us are, and we certainly enjoy the entire journey and the workshops that were conducted. Initially, of course, at the IIAD campus in New Delhi, followed by which was only for students, and then on 2nd of April, it was open for artists and everybody who was interested at the Sundar Nursery again in Delhi.